Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing these two problems. So let's get started. Alright, first thing what we want to do is we're going to write a Python program that prints out all numbers from 0 to 6 except 3 and 6. No problem, really simple. For I in um range of 7, since it says 0 to 6, we need to do a nested loop in here. If I equals 3 or I equals 6, just want to continue, which means like skip it. Or else print I. I just means item. As you can see, we don't get 3 or 6, which is exactly what we wanted. Perfect. Alright, next. Alright, so I didn't write any comments here, but we didn't make a guessing game. So for this, again, we need a for loop. So for I in range of 50. So stop after 50 tries. We're gonna give an input. So because it's a guessing game, right? Let's name a number. You guess. Let's name a guess. Alright, so guess equals input. What is the number you picked? Right? Of course we wanna make this an integer. Alright, let's run this. Let's pick a smaller number so that I could contain and like see if it works properly. Let's do just 3, right? As you can see, after 3 tries, it just stopped, which is exactly what we want. Alright. Let's make a number up. For example, let's do 89. Okay, so if guess equals number, then for I in range, we're creating 2 levels in here. Just 2. Ooh, going nesting. And in here, what we want to do is we want to make another number of 1,000, 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if, and we guess as well over here, guess equals integer, input, what is the number you pick? I'm gonna do this because I'm too lazy to think of something. So just like an input. And over here, I just want to put a print statement outside of this. So I only want this to run one time. That's why. Welcome to level 1 of my guessing game. Obviously, there's many ways of doing this, but what I want you guys to do is 2 levels, right? So this is exactly what I'm showing you. And welcome. And then over here, print welcome to level 2 and final level of my guessing game. Okay, perfect. You only get 2 tries in here. If guess equals number, just print You did it. Alright, let's see this. Um, 12. What we should do is we should do an else statement over there. And then 89. Jeez. Okay, so it's, yeah. But pretend you got it the first time. Um, two, two, two. Okay. So, yeah, that works perfectly, right? That works perfectly. So it just after three tries, it just stops, right? Um, but here, oh, there it is. Yep, perfect. Works perfectly. Everything works perfectly. But the only problem with this game now, right, is first of all, I need to give it some branding because I'm Hemet. Over here, I'm just gonna name it. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just gonna name it number guessing game. So these three blocks of code only run one time, right? So number guessing game, welcome to level one of my guessing game. Thank you. 89. Welcome to level two on the final level. 89, wrong. 89, wrong. Let's rename these, shall we? S2, number two, two, and two. I don't like really talking when I'm coding, so sorry guys. 89, 89, 89. Okay, why is that happening? Hmm. And then what was this? One, two, three, four. You did it. I want to break out of this. You did it. Okay, I don't know why it's not working properly, even though I have my syntax correctly. Very weird. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, why is that happening? So if guess equals number, right? So I'm creating another one with two. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this out. Give it a quick refresh. I'll do this again. Okay, let's see if that happens when I do 56. it's going all the way back up. I see. Let's see what I can do. I want to separate these so that when I go to level 2, I don't go back to level 1. Okay. Let's see this. Okay, perfect. Finished it. So basically, what happens is if it's correct, it will just break out and go to the next one. But if it's not correct, that's what we have to see. See, sticking us to level 2 even though I don't want it to. This one not. S equals number. Let's redo this and let's see this again. Perfect. Let's get it. Done. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So everything works. Only thing I'm gonna do is over here. Welcome to level 2 of my guessing game. So this is a realistic standpoint for me as a programmer, and what's going on, right? Everything is behaving properly, exactly how I expect it to behave. Let's see what happens if I do the actual answer. Just as you did it, breaks up. Perfect. And I just have to keep copying the segment and just keep doing that. But yeah, everything works. Perfect. Now this is where it gets spicy. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Pretty hungry today. Okay. Now, I don't want this to stay the same. Because what's gonna happen is now let's say you retry. Okay? Right? You're just gonna become OP at this game. You're gonna get it on one try. Even though I don't want you to, right? That's where that's where randomly generating numbers, this article is amazing at it. Okay? So we need a library actually. Import random from random. Okay. Now this is just going to be random. Oh yeah, sorry. From random, import random, and then this is just creating a random number, right? I'm just gonna print this number just to make sure everything's working perfectly. You can see that giving us a really weird number. So I'm just gonna try 1 to 5. 1 to 50, sorry. Oh, round init. Okay. Sorry guys, this is my first time ever doing this as well. This using this library, my first time. That's why it's always good to look at some documentation, right? Okay, let's run this now. All right, you can see stop, rerun, stop, rerun. You can see that it gives us the correct. It gives us what we want, right? For this, I want it to just be I want number to just be this. For number two, on the other hand, I want it to be 0 to 100 because I want to be more harder, right? Now, when we're done with this, right? All right, perfect. So now, see that you could obviously try and keep trying, but you can see that the number guessing game actually works, right? Now, what I want to do is if guess does not equal number, right? Um, print number. And now, if we run this, 4. Uh, you can see it works. It's just I'm not good at randomly guessing numbers, but it works. I'm gonna do exact same thing for this part. Perfect. It's just that's gonna be guess two, number two. You should obviously not be um naming your variable this way. I'm gonna also create a formatted string. The number was, and we're gonna do the same over here. The number was number. Okay. Now if we run this again, let's do 10. Oh yeah, right. We have to put this in this bubble. Alright. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this 10. This, oh, I am so bad at this. Like, you don't wanna even know. Not 5, 6. Come on. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can see like I'm not that good with this, but you can see that everything works perfectly. If there's any bugs, you can report it to me. My email is in the link description of all of these things that I have open. My tabs and my online recorder are also in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.